Thinking about buying a portable juicer blender but not sure which one to choose? The market is packed with options. Some offer powerful blending performance, others focus on portability and battery life, while some come with extra features like ice crushing and multi-speed control. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews, features, and real-world performance to bring you the top 5 best portable juicer blenders. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, fresh juices, and a healthy lifestyle on the go. Make sure you don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to discover which one is the best fit for your needs. Item number 5. This portable juicer blender is a compact and powerful solution for making fresh drinks anytime, anywhere. With a 530 milliliter capacity and durable plastic body, it features sharp stainless steel blades that easily crush ice and blend fruits smoothly. The USB rechargeable design makes it perfect for travel and outdoor use. It offers multiple functions including juicing, mixing, and stirring, along with adjustable speed settings. With its efficient motor and user-friendly operation, this mini blender is ideal for quick and healthy beverages on the go. Item number 4. This portable juicer is a lightweight and convenient handheld blender designed for everyday use. Powered by a 25-watt motor, it efficiently blends fruits into smooth juices, milkshakes, and smoothies. The durable plastic body and stainless steel blades ensure reliable performance and long-lasting use. With USB charging support, it's perfect for use at home, office, or on the go. Certified with CE, EMC, and RoHS standards, it offers safe operation, making it a practical choice for quick and healthy drink preparation anytime. Item number 3. This portable juicer features a large 33-ounce capacity, making it ideal for preparing fresh juices for daily use. Powered by a 70W motor with a high-speed 18,000 RPM performance, it blends fruits and vegetables quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel blades ensure smooth results, while the automatic pulp ejection adds convenience. With its USB-C rechargeable design and easy-to-clean plastic body, this juicer is perfect for home, office, or travel, offering a simple way to enjoy healthy drinks anytime. Item number 2. This portable juicer blender features a 450 milliliter capacity and a powerful 50-watt motor, delivering up to 18,000 RPM for fast and efficient blending. Equipped with 10 stainless steel blades, it easily crushes ice and makes smooth juices, milkshakes, and smoothies. The USB Type-C rechargeable design supports multiple charging methods, making it perfect for travel and daily use. With 3-speed adjustment and a compact build, it offers convenient, powerful performance for preparing fresh drinks anytime, anywhere. Item number 1. This electric portable juicer features a large 700 milliliter capacity and a powerful motor delivering up to 22,000 RPM for fast and efficient blending. Designed with durable stainless steel blades, it easily handles fruits, ice, and even solid ingredients for smoothies and shakes. The USB rechargeable design makes it perfect for outdoor use and travel. With multiple functions including juicing, mixing, and stirring, this compact blender offers a convenient and reliable solution for preparing fresh, healthy drinks anytime, anywhere.